To remove the old batteries, separate the two halves using a flat screwdriver. Then gently pry open the remote by hand. Remove the old batteries and replace it with 1616 3-volt batteries. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you can't find it. Make sure to put the positive side in first for both batteries. Finally, reinstall the keychain ring. Join both halves together and firmly press until it snaps into place. Now join the key side to the remote by pressing together. Alright, now let's get to reprogramming the key. Put the key that you want to reprogram into the ignition switch to the on position and hold down the unlock button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Then remove it and repeat the process until the unlock and lock function is working again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing, and all the links that I mentioned will be in the description below.